say hi?
Hi.
Look there.
Hi.
Welcome back to Ane's Kitchen. Today we are going to make banana balls. This guy loves banana balls. The things that you need is bananas, plain flour, baking powder and corn flour and sugar. Mix it, sweeten up. I love sweet. Do you like sweet?
Yes.
First you have to nicely squash the bananas. Then you need to mix plain flour and then the baking powder and then the corn flour. Don't add the sugar now. We're going to add it just before we fry it. Now we're going to fry it, so I'm going to quickly add the sugar and mix it. Ryan? Now the banana balls are ready. Remember to ask an adult to fry the banana balls. We're going to make the banana balls a bit sweeter by adding some icing sugar. We're going to sift some icing sugar in. Ariane, do you want to pour it in?
Yes.
Yeah. Don't worry about the shape because it'll taste very good.
Tape.